Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your coupon matchups that begin today, Sunday, February 23rd. Up first, we have your $5 off when you spend $25 on the select paper items you see here. We also have your P&G. I have the 10 off 30. We also have another coupon for save $5 when you spend $15, and that's on the All, Persil, and Purex. But we also have some instant savings going on, so we got a lot going on there. We have save 95 cents on True Living bath tissue, and that will be $10 out of pocket. Up next, we have your Powerade. That's going to be 2 for $9 with the coupon, so you'll pay $9 for those. Then we have this Gain detergent, which will be $4.45 after a $3 coupon. Up next, you can save $3 on this large jug of the Downy, and you'll pay $9.95. There are a lot of sales going on right now too. So save $2 on the Downy rinse, and you will pay $4.25. Up next, DG Health, save $2 on this cold and flu relief. That will be $4.75. Now we have $2 when you spend $8, so you're going to save $2 by 4 of the Suave shampoo and pay just $6. If you have both of these coupons, the manufacturer and the store coupon, you can get this tied for $10.90. You can save $3 on 2 Garnier Fructis, and that would be $6 for 2. Save 50 cents on True Living Drawstring Kitchen Bags, and that would be $4.45 out of pocket. Save 50 cents on DG Health. You can get the Mucus Relief DM for just $4. Save $1 on True Living Bleach, and that would be $4.95. Save $3 on this Gain and pay $15.95. You're going to save $6 on 2 Always. These are on sale, so you would get them for $22. These are the Always Discreet. Then we have $4 off 1 Secret Whole Body, making it $9. And just in case you didn't notice, we put the little P&G logo up there so you know which ones are P&G, attaching to that P&G coupon. Save $2 on the Olay lotion. That would be $9.25. Then we have $2 off 1 Oral-B, making it $5.99. Save $1 on 1 Kids Crest, making it $2.35. Save $1 on 1 Crest 3D White, and this will be $4.25. Save $3 on 1 Gillette disposable razor, making the Gillette Sensor 3 only $3. $1 off the 8-count Safeguard, and that would make it $6. That's for the bar soap. $1 off 1 Old Spice, making the Old Spice deodorant 2-pack just $7. And then you can save $2 on 1 Old Spice body lotion or body wash and pay just $6 for that. We have $4 off 1 Crest 3D White Brilliant. This one would be $5. 25 cents off the VapoCool 18-count drops, making them $2.25. $2 off 1 Olay, making that just $7. That's working on the $9 size. We have $1 off 1 Olay body wash, making the $7.50 size just $6.50. $2 off 1 Secret Clinical, making that just $7.35 for the deodorant. $3 off 1 Venus disposable, making that $4.50. And we have $2 off 2 Tampax. They are on sale, so you would get 2 of the Tampax for $14. On the Always, they're also on sale, and we have the 2 off 2. That would also be $14. $1 off 1 Crest, and it's working on the gum recession, and that makes it just $4. $1 off 1 Old Spice, it's working on this Pure Sport, making it $3.75. We have $10 off one Swiffer. It's working on the Power Mop. That is $30, making that just $20. And then we have $2 off one Cascade. It's working on the $11.50 size, making it $9.25. That's on sale as well. 50 cents off one Puffs facial tissue, and that is the 3-pack, and that would be $5.25. $2 off two U by Kotex pads, and that's making that $8.50 for 2. We have $5 off one Zyrtec, making the $21 size just $16. Cetaphil, $2 off one, and it's working on the $10 size moisture lotion for $8. We have the $5 off one Febreze plug, and that's the scent booster, and that will make the $10 one just $5. We have $3 off 2 Swiffer pads or refills, and you can get those for $8. $3 off one Bic razor, and that would be $3.50. We have the Tide Rescue Spray, and that is $1 off one, making it just $3.95 after coupon. $2 off one Airwick scented oil refill or a twin refill, and that will be just $5. Finish Jet Dry, $2 off one, making it $2.95 after coupon. We have $1 off one, and that works on Clorox products, so we're going to do the Pine Sol on this one for $3 after coupon, that is. If you have both these coupons here, the $1.25 off manufacturer and the $5 off when you spend $15 for the Snuggle, you can stack those to get your savings. We also have Irish Spring, which is on sale with a $1 off one coupon, making it $4.35. $5 off 2 Axe, making 2 Axe body wash just $6.50. We have a sale on the Dr. Pepper, so you can get 3 of them with a $2 off coupon for just $12. Persil, we have a $1.50 off one Persil, making that just $4. The Skintimate Violet Razor has a $3 off one coupon, making that just $3. Always pads that you see here, these are the Always Discreet. They have a 6 off 2 coupon, making it $23.99 for 2. This one we put in, this is the large jug of Arm & Hammer with a $5 cash back offer. Then we have your $3.30 off 2 of the Febreze Air, making it $3.20 for 2. $1 off one Crest toothpaste, making that free. Up next, we have the Dawn Power Wash refills. You can get 2 of them with a $3.99 off coupon for $4.01, or you can do 2 of the trigger sprays for the Dawn Power Wash, and that would be $6.51 after the coupon. Secret Deodorant has a $1 off one, making it $3.75. And that's it for the matchup. In case you missed it, we have a clearance sale coming up starting Friday, February 28th through Sunday, March 2nd. You can see all the categories that are included here on this memo. And this is a great time to check the POG and normal items for coupons in the clearance sale. It's the best way to save even more during a clearance sale, especially when you shop on Saturday. I'm hoping to get that video for clearance out tomorrow, which is Monday. It'll be in the evening by the time it comes out. So leave me some comments, a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all the fun things. Let me know if you're excited about the coupons and the upcoming clearance sale. You can find us on Facebook, Telegram, and our website, rolloutsavings.com. Thank you all for being here, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with the next big deal soon. Bye, guys.